show you guys emotions of driving this car. In this video, I'm going to show you guys something which I've never driven before. Let's check it out what it is. And it is the Maserati Quattroporte. I've never driven a Maserati before, and thank you very much to Henry. He's from Seng Cars. Henry is actually a very friendly guy. If you have any inquiries about any pre-loved cars that you have, you can just contact him here, the Quattroporte. I believe this is a 3-litre V6, 404 horsepower. Engine with a 8-speed ZF gearbox. I have to say it sounds pretty sick from the outside. This is the key. This key does have some weight to it. Let's go for a drive. So this is the interior. Aluminium pedals. Let's jump in. The window is down. See if I can capture some of the exhaust note when I start the car. Wood trim. Just leave the car and the key in there. Whoa, the rumble. Let's see how it revs from in the car. Off we go. I'll just put the window up a bit so we can still hear some of its exhaust note. When it's new, I think it's about 700,000 or 800,000, is it? Or is it more?
The new one is 800,000.
800,000, yeah. Memory seats, I'm sure there are a lot of functions, but the purpose of this video is just to have you guys in the driver's perspective of how is it like driving this car. Whoa. It has sport. ICE is actually eco mode. There's also adaptive dampers right here. Let's see. Sport suspension mode on. Yes, sport mode is on. So a bit about Seng Cars, they have actually come a long way since the last I visited them. Like, if you guys were to buy a car, right, what other facilities you provide?
We have our own service center, which means that when the time you buy the car, we will give you the service for the oil and oil filter. Yeah. And someone will provide a full warranty for you.
Oh, so they have their own service center which you can come back to. And they provide free diagnostic. Yeah. So that is their service center. I'm not sure if it's coming out in a video. This one, the Seng Cars service. It's fairly quiet in here. The only thing that you hear is a bit of the tire noise, road noise, as well as the exhaust note. Road presence is definitely there. Wow. So like I said, if I'm not mistaken, it has 404 horsepower. The pedals are huge, I have to say. Woo! Let's see some downshifts. Wow, it's very refined and sporty at the same time. Refined, sporty and comfortable. I don't know how can you make that three together, but this does give you a very luxurious and sporty feel. It's very well put together. You don't hear any rattling sounds. I mean, obviously in a Maserati, come on. So if you want to check out this car, do contact Henry from Seng Cars. His contact, like I said, is going to be in the description down below. Well, the protective film for the clock is still there, considering the fact that this is a pre-loved Quattroporte. We're out on the expressway. I could do this all day long, man. This is exactly the type of car that I want. A car that is comfortable and sporty at the same time. And when you're not on it, like right now, it's actually quiet. Honestly speaking, the exhaust note is not too intrusive lah. Let's drop it down gear. Wow. Impressive piece of machine. Brakes are awesome on this. Oh, okay. That downshift, my god. How much is this car?
420.
420. Local tech?
Local.
This is a local car, man. If you guys wanna like check it out, make sure you come to Seng Cars. Yeah, the new price is like 899k. I'm gonna show you guys the back seat later on because I'm sure if you get the Quattroporte, the back seat does matter. It's not like in the Ghibli. The Ghibli is actually a smaller version. Like I think it's tighter than the 3 Series if you compare it. Do you like this car?
Perfect.
U-turn, ah?
Yeah.
Ooh, my god. Kajang? Oh, one thing though, I realized that the indicator stalk is a bit far off. You have to extend your fingers to really get to it. Just bear in mind that it's not a full-on review of this car. It's just to show you guys emotions of driving this car. What a boss in this car. Wow, I realized the steering actually does increase its weight when I go faster. Turn off sport and just cruise. Immediately I can see that the RPM meter goes down to 1.5k. So how does it fare going through a bump? So comfortable. Wow, I saw slumber this guy across the road. Now, to be honest, this car cannot be compared to a S-Class or even 7 Series. This is a super sport sedan. Those are for comfort only. I mean, you can drive it sporty in a sporty way as well, like in the 7 Series, but this is purely super sports sedan. Why I say that is because you can hear the rumble of the exhaust. So if you're in the back seat, maybe it will be louder. Well, I'm not sure, but you definitely can hear it. Like right now, I'm not sure if it's gonna come out in a video, but yeah. Wow, it goes through bumps really well. Well, I really have to thank Henry for inviting me to Seng Cars. If not, I wouldn't have the opportunity to like get behind the wheel of this Quattroporte. Right. Wow, it's spacious. It's really, really spacious. Look at that. Okay, that's a huge bulk in the center, but wow, it's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Gosh. So thank you very much for watching this video, alright guys?